Are you ready to delve into the realm of financial success in 2024? Today, we're not just talking about gadgets and gizmos, we're uncovering the secrets to achieving your dreams of becoming rich quickly. But before we dive into today's content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on our latest tips, financial insights, and everything in between. Now, let's get ready to elevate your financial game to the next level. Money follows value. Value is a solution to a perceived problem. If you want to make a difference in the world, you should aim to add as much value as you possibly can. If it so works out that you make money along the way, it is an added bonus. Live a life worth retelling as a story. Money won't help you build a lasting legacy, only the truth of your actions will. So, let's get started. Most popular 2 keys that play a crucial role in becoming rich. The first one is focus. Focus. Stay focused and get succeeded. Focus is the lens that brings that vision into sharp relief. When you're focused, the fog of uncertainty dissipates, revealing a path illuminated by your aspirations. It's not just about working hard, it's about working smart and directing your attention towards what truly matters. Let's explore how focus can be the catalyst for financial success and examine its role in building wealth. Always remember, your focus determines your reality. Focus isn't just about staying on task. It's about turbocharging your productivity to unprecedented levels. When you're locked in, distractions fade into the background and your efficiency soars. It's like strapping a rocket booster to your work ethic, propelling you towards success at warp speed. Imagine ticking off your to-do list with the precision of a Swiss watch. That's the power of focus in action, maximizing every moment to inch closer to your financial dreams. In today's hyper-connected world, distractions abound, threatening to derail our progress and sidetrack us from our financial goals. However, those who wield the power of focus can effectively eliminate distractions and stay on course. This means saying no to unnecessary commitments, limiting time spent on social media, and prioritizing tasks that align with your wealth-building objectives. Consider the case of Maria, an aspiring entrepreneur with a passion for fashion. And let's not forget about productivity, the lifeblood of success. When you're focused, your productivity levels skyrocket, allowing you to accomplish more in less time. It's like unlocking a hidden reservoir of energy and efficiency, propelling you towards your goals with unstoppable momentum. Whether it's powering through a demanding workload or executing a strategic plan, focus enables you to make the most of every moment and maximize your potential for success. Moreover, focus is synonymous with productivity and efficiency. When you concentrate your efforts on high-value tasks and eliminate time-wasting activities, you can accomplish more in less time. This is especially crucial for entrepreneurs and investors who must juggle multiple responsibilities and make swift decisions in a competitive landscape. Take, for example, the renowned investor Warren Buffett, known for his disciplined approach to investing and relentless focus on long-term value. By honing in on his core investment principles and blocking out market noise, Buffett has amassed a fortune over the years, cementing his status as one of the world's wealthiest individuals. And the second and last one, that is planning. Planning. The most efficient way to live reasonably is every morning to make a plan of one's day and every night to examine the results obtained. Alexis. Now let's talk about the unsung hero of wealth creation. Planning. Think of planning as the blueprint for building your financial empire. Without a solid plan in place, your dreams of riches may remain just that, dreams. But with careful planning and strategic foresight, you can pave the way for lasting prosperity. Let's explore how planning serves as the cornerstone of wealth creation and unlocks the path to riches. At the heart of effective planning lies the art of setting clear objectives. Just like a skilled architect sketches out the blueprint for a grand edifice, you must outline your financial goals with precision. Whether it's achieving a certain level of passive income, building a diversified investment portfolio, or saving for a major purchase, setting specific, measurable objectives provides the roadmap for your wealth journey. By defining your destination, you can chart a course towards success with purpose and determination. In essence, planning is the compass that guides you towards financial success, a tool that empowers you to transform your aspirations into tangible achievements. By setting clear objectives, anticipating and mitigating risks, and maximizing efficiency, you can lay the groundwork for lasting prosperity. So, embrace planning as your ally on the path to riches, and watch as your dreams of wealth become a reality before your very eyes. No journey to wealth is without its share of risks and uncertainties. However, planning empowers you to navigate these challenges with grace and resilience. As Sun Tzu famously stated in The Art of War, every battle is won before it is fought. By anticipating potential pitfalls and devising contingency plans, you can mitigate risks and safeguard your financial future. But as the ancient proverb reminds us, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start planning. Start today and reap the rewards tomorrow. In the realm of wealth creation, timing is everything. Planning allows you to seize opportunities with precision. Just as Warren Buffett famously advised, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. By staying vigilant and agile, you can capitalize on market trends, investment opportunities, and business ventures before they slip through your fingers. But remember the wise words of Peter Drucker: plans are only good intentions unless they immediately degenerate into hard work. Planning isn't just about seizing opportunities, it's about turning them into tangible results through focused effort. In conclusion, planning is the cornerstone of wealth creation. It provides the blueprint for success, enabling us to set clear goals, seize opportunities, and navigate challenges with confidence. As we embark on our journey to financial freedom, let's remember the wise words of Benjamin Franklin: by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. So, let's embrace the power of planning, chart our course to prosperity, and turn our dreams into reality. Thank you for watching.